drumsticks.
Oh.
These are actually trash. Little bow springs. For the high lift campers.
Wow.
Essentially the same thing, but it's got a lip around where the bearings goes, so they don't fall out. And then they're held in with this clip.
Hey guys, this is Jonathan from Renegade Hybrids. Today we have this beautiful 430 Cayman LS3. The customer wanted to make a little bit more power, so we added the injector dynamic 1050s, and we also have a BTR stage 3 cam. On top of that, we added the GT4 transmissions just so that I could drive and hold all that power. And we're getting ready to put it into this 987 Cayman. All right, this is our full kit to get this motor into this 987. We have our engine cradle and our two GT4 trans mounts.